I bow at thy divine lotus feet of my God and my Guru, Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba is always talking about service. Bhagwan Baba says service to mankind is service to God, and this is a way of Pada Sevanam. I would like to use myself in your divine service as a servant, Bhagwan Baba. Pada Sevanam truly means serving the very cause on which the Lord stands, and Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba's feet stands on truth. Seva done with sympathy and skill to anyone in distress anywhere in the world is Pada Sevanam. Pada means feet and Sevanam means service. This is when you blend your practice of Karma Yoga with Bhakti. So, why is worshipping the Lord's feet so important? It is explained that the head is the most important part of the body. Thus, it is crowned. But the head cannot go anywhere without the help of the feet. So, feet must be respected. Goddess Lakshmi offered her devotion to Lord Vishnu, offering Padasevanam. Even though Lakshmi had the boon of being Lord's wife, Lakshmi was envious of the tulsi leaves which remained at thy divine lotus feet of Lord Narayan. Service done anywhere reaches Narayan in the form of our God and Guru, Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. He is omnipresent. He resides in everyone's heart. When we do service, there should be no expectation. If we do service with this attitude, it will be Padasevanam. Service done with true attitude will take you close to God, because Narayan lives in truth. Who is upholding the truth is upholding the Lord. Our Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Charan Sparsh Bhagwan Baba Tum Sharanam Mama. Australia chapter bows at thy divine lotus feet, Bhagwan Baba. We offer Padasevanam in various ways. Oman chapter and Australia chapter offer Padasevanam through Sai Mahima. We talk about Swami's greatness and we listen to his glory with great interest. So, by listening to his divine glory, we are doing Padasevanam through Shravanam. Pure consciousness is Parikshit Maharaj.
In our lifetime, some of us have certain experiences, events, moments that we can call life-changing. Things that have changed our life. For some people, when they move to a new country, for some when they get married, if you ask everybody, they have a story to say about it. But most of these work at a physical or an emotional level. There are some profound moments that also happen to people's life, which changes the entire being of that person. These not just work at a physical or emotional level, but this work at a spiritual level. It works on the spirit itself. My such moment is the time when I met Sanjay Baba. And I would like to speak about today about that life-changing moment of mine. Like you heard from Lakshmi Sairam, that as a professional, I have had a very successful stint. Many would call my career very illustrious, but this success also came with a lot of unwanted baggage. For example, my life was very stressful. I used to get tired with my own thoughts. Sleeplessness, anger, being irritable was a part of me. And somewhere deep inside, there was, in spite of all this big things that are happening, there is always this sense of fear or insecurity somewhere inside. It was the year 2016, I remember. My brother wanted to travel to Nepal because it was a great moment for him. He was going to be doing the Pad Puja of his Guru and Master, Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. I didn't know Sanjay Baba then. I did not know Sanjay Baba then. For my brother, it was one of the most defining moments of his life. So he wanted his family to be with him. So because to make him feel good, we agreed to go for this trip. Now, there were too many priorities that came in between, and we decided to cancel the trip. We also decided, then we said, no, let's go. Then we'll again cancel. No, let's go. But eventually we decided we'll go because otherwise he will feel bad. Right? Now, after that, as the day was nearing for us to travel, my curiosity about Baba started growing with every passing day. And by the time I wanted to go to Nepal, I was wanting to see Sanjay Baba. I had come to a situation like that. So we left for Nepal. I still remember my first darshan of Swami. That brilliance, that it's a nostalgic moment for me even now when I remember it. That love and compassion in his eyes, I can never forget. I had never seen such love, compassion, and brilliance in a person ever in my lifetime. Now, when I had the darshan and I looked up at Swami, Swami told me in Hindi, हाँ ना कितनी बार करोगे, अगर मैंने तुम्हें बुलाया तो तुम्हें आना ही पड़ेगा.
Kirtanam is another way of doing Pada Puja. Oman chapter and Australia chapter together offers gents bhajan and ladies bhajan. Pure consciousness is Narad Maharshi.
Padmasana Devi
Australia chapter offers Padasevanam through Smaranam. Australia chapter offers Havan Bhajan on a regular basis. Smaranam is the constant remembrance of the Lord. Pure consciousness is Bhakta Prahlad.
Talpyaయ Gekyaय Namaः Katyay Kakuretai Namo Kadayay Niveshpyay Namaः Pagam Savyay Yasyay Namaः Sushtyay Harityay Namo Lopyay Jolapyay Namaः Urvyay Surmyay Namaः Panyay Pannasatyay Namo Guramanaay Piknade Namaः Akikade Prakikade Namo Kirakebhyo Devanagam Hridayebhyo Namo Vikshinakebhyo Namo Vijinnakebhyo Namah Anirgadebhyo Namah Amivatkebhyah Drape Andasatpade Daridrannilalohida Yesham Purushanam Yesham Pasunam Mabher Maromo Yesham Kinjanam Avate Yade Rudra Shiva Tano Shiva Vishwagaveshati Shiva Rudrasya Veshati Tayano Mridajivase Imagam Rudraya Tavase Kavardhine Chedviraya Pravramake Madim Yadhanashama Saddivade Chadutpade Vishwam Pushtam Grame Asminnanaturam Mridano Rudrodhano Mayaskri Chedviraya Navasa Videmate Yastanjayos Tamanuraye Vidata Dasyamatava Rudra Pranito Mano Mahantamudamano Arbagam Mana Uchandamudamana Uchidam Mano Vadi Pidaram Modamataram Priyamanas Tanuvo Rudradirisha Manastoke Tanige Mana Ayushi Mano Goshamano Ashweshudirisha Viran Mano Rudravamido Vadir Kavishmando Namasa Videmate Arate Goknauda Pushakne Chedvirai Sumnamasmede Astu Rekshajano Adijadeva Tuhyadaya Nasarmayachadivarka Tuhishudam Gattasatam Yuvanam Braganna Viva Umugram Mrajaridre Rudrastavano Anyande Asmanya Bhavantu Sena Parino Rudrasya Gedra Brinaktupari Tveshasya Durmatiragayo Avastira Magavadyasthanushva Medvastogaya Tanigaya Mradaya Meduttama Shivatama Shivona Sumanabhava Parame Vriksha Ayadunudai Krityam Vasana Achara Pinagam Vipradagi Bigirida Vilohita Namaste Astu Bhagavaha Yaste Sahasrakam Gedayonyavasmanya Bhavandu Bhavanduda Sahasrani Sahasrada Bahuvostama Gedaya Tatamishano Bhagava Parachina Ugagrati Sahasrani Sahasrachoye Rutra Adivomyam.
Padasevanam is offered frequently by doing Pada Puja and reminding ourselves that we are at Thy Divine Lotus Feet, Bhagwan Baba. Pure consciousness is Mahalakshmi.
अनंत संसार समुद्र तार नौकायिताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिदाभ्यां वैराग्य साम्राज्यद पूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम् कवित्ववाराशि निशाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावां बुधमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतानम्र विपत्ततिभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम् नताययोः श्रीपतितां समीयोः कदाचिदप्याशु दरिद्रवर्यां मूकाश्च वाचस्पतितां हिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम् नालीकणिकाश पदाहृताभ्यां नानाविमोहादि निवारिकाभ्यां नमः जनाभीष्ट प्रतिप्रदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम् नृपालिमौली व्रजरत्नकान्ति सरिद्विरजत झषकन्यकाभ्यां नृपत्वदाभ्यां नतलोकपङ्क्ते नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम् पापान्धकारार्क परम्पराभ्यां तापत्रयाहीन्द्र खगेश्वराभ्यां जालाब्धिसंशोषण पार्वाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम् क्षमादिषटक प्रदवैभवाभ्यां समाधिदान गतदीक्षिताभ्यां रमाधवान्धी स्थिरभक्तिदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम् स्वार्चापराणाम् अखिलेष्टदाभ्यां साहसहायाक्ष धुरन्धराभ्यां स्वान्ताक्ष भाव प्रदपूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम् कामादिसर्प व्रजगारुणाभ्यां विवेकवैराग्य निधिप्रदाभ्यां बोधप्रदाभ्यां धृतमोक्षदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां बोधप्रदाभ्यां धृतमोक्षदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम्
Australia chapter with Soul Blossom children offer Padasevanam as Archanam. Archanam is a combination of external ritual with internal meditation. Soul Blossom Australia chapter teaches meditation and external ritual on how to worship Swami by doing service. Australia Soul Blossom are taught how to focus and concentrate on Swami for 10 minutes every day. Pure consciousness is doing Archanam Puja.
पाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां तवड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रम निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणम् मम जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् फणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुर स्फुरत्वगुत्तरीय मेधुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरि ॐ नमः शिवाय सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रपञ्च कालिमप्रभावलम्बि कण्ठ कन्दली रुचि प्रबद्ध कन्धरं स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मखच्छिदं गजच्छिदान्धकच्छिदं तमन्तकच्छिदं भजे अखर्व सर्व मंगला कला कदम्ब मंजरी रस प्रवाह माधुरी विजृंभणा मधुव्रतं स्मरान्तकं पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मखान्तकं गजान्तकान्धकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे
Soul Blossom Children, Australia chapter are taught about expressing our gratitude towards Bhagwan Baba for everything he has given us. Pure consciousness, Akrura.
Om Shri Sai Ram. I go at thy divine lotus feet of my dearest Bhagwan, Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. I am Abhiyan Shrestha from Australia, Sri Sanjay Sai Soul Blossom class. Dear Bhagwan Baba, please accept my offering. Jaya 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 Gananayaka Jaya Jaya Vigna Vinasaka Jaya 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 Gananayaka Jaya Jaya Vigna Vinasaka He Subha Mangaladayaka Vidya Buddhi Pradayaka He Subha Mangaladayaka Vidya Buddhi Pradayaka Gajavadana Gauri Nandana Gajavadana Gauri Nandana Gangadhara Shiva Sambho Nandana Gangadhara Shiva Sambho Nandana Jaya 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 Gananayaka Jaya Jaya Vigna Vinasaka He Subha Mangaladayaka Vidya Buddhi Pradayaka Gajavadana Gauri Nandana Gajavadana Gauri Nandana Gangadhara Shiva Sambho Nandana Gangadhara Shiva Sambho Nandana Jaya 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 Gananayaka Jaya Jaya Vigna Vinasaka Charan Spars Bhagwan Baba.
Om Shri Sai Ram. I bow at thy divine lotus feet of our dearest Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. I am Avigya Shrestha from Australia's Sri Sanjay Sai Soul Bosom class. Dear Bhagwan Baba, please accept my offering. Janani, Janani, Sanjay Sai Suva Janani, 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 Sanjay Sai Suva Janani, Jagatkarini Paripurni Sai Swari Janani, Jagatkarini Paripurni Sai Swari Janani, Satya Swarupini Janani, Satya Swarupini Janani, Dharma Sambardhini Janani, Dharma Sambardhini Janani, Santa Swarupini Janani, Santa Swarupini Janani, Prema Pradayini Janani, Sai Prema Pradayini Janani, 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 Sanjay Sai Suva Janani, Jagatkarini Paripurni Sai Swari Janani, Satya Swarupini Janani, Dharma Sambardhini Janani, Santa Swarupini Janani, Prema Pradayini Janani, Sai Prema Pradayini Janani, 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 Sanjay Sai Suva Janani. चरण स्पर्श भगवान बाबा।
आशाओं के बादल छाए, कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे।
एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे।
रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए झिलमिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम,
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहे।
Padasevanam done through Dashyam, Australia chapter and Soul Blossom Australia. Look upon Bhagwan Baba as a father, a mother, a friend, and every other relation, united in one. We put ourselves at thy divine lotus feet, Bhagwan Baba. Tvam Sharanam Mama. Pure consciousness is Hanuman.
Namami
Australia chapter does Padasevanam through Sakyam Shevanam. Australia chapter put themselves at thy divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. We share our sorrow, our happiness, joy, pain, pleasure, and every moment in our lives with God. We consider God as our one and only one true friend. Pure consciousness is Arjuna.
प्यारे बच्चों तुम सबसे है मेरा अनोखा नाता। प्यारे बच्चों तुम सबसे है मेरा अनोखा नाता। आज हृदय की बात बताए तुमको साई ना था, तुमको साई ना था। माँ बनकर कभी मैंने तुम पे अपनी ममता लुटाई। माँ बनकर कभी मैंने तुम पे ममता अपनी लुटाई। कभी गुरु बन मैंने तुमको
Australia chapter offers Pada Sevanam through Atmanivedanam. Australia chapter offers our soul, our mind and body at Thy Divine Lotus Feet of our Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Australia chapter does not have any personal or independent existence. We leave all our karma, dharma, and we offer ourselves at Thy Divine Lotus Feet of our beloved Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Pure consciousness is Mahabali Chakravarti, offering his body and soul to Lord Vamanavatar.
शङ्कर रूपा सज्जन वन्दित साई रामा नमोस्तुते। शङ्कर रूपा सज्जन वन्दित साई रामा नमोस्तुते। रघुपति रूपा रम्य चरित्र साई रामा नमोस्तुते। रघुपति रूपा रम्य चरित्र साई रामा नमोस्तुते। केशव रूपा क्लेश विनाशक साई रामा नमोस्तुते। केशव रूपा क्लेश विनाशक साई रामा नमोस्तुते। अद्भुत चरिता जनेयार्थ रक्षक नमोस्तुते। अद्भुत चरिता जनेयार्थ रक्षक नमोस्तुते। सर्वाधारा साधु जनावन साई रामा नमोस्तुते। सर्वाधारा साधु जनावन साई रामा नमोस्तुते। निर्विकारा निर्मल चरित साई रामा नमोस्तुते। निर्विकारा निर्मल चरित साई रामा नमोस्तुते। साई रामा नमोस्तुते। जय साई रामा नमोस्तुते। साई रामा नमोस्तुते।